Hello everyone, I am Bhavna and back again with one more fun and interesting kit of KPL, that is step counting. This kit contains total 15 strips 1 to 10 and 1 to 5 is in double. So let's learn.
This is KPL Step Counting Kit. In this kit, each unit is a step. Step 1. This is step 2. It has 1, 2 steps. This is step 3. It has 1, 2, 3 steps. Step 4. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Step 5. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. The digits are mentioned on the steps to help child recognize the number. With the help of this kit, child can learn counting from 1 to 10. Let us arrange these steps in ascending order, that is smaller to bigger digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Child learns forward counting from 1 to 10. Let us arrange these steps in descending order, that is bigger to smaller digits. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Child learns backward counting from 10 to 1. Now, child knows the number and their sequencing. So, what comes after 6? 7. What comes after 8? 9. What comes before 2? 1. What comes before 5? 4. What comes in between 4 and 6? 5. What comes in between 8 and 10? 9. Missing numbers. In the given pattern, find out the missing numbers. What comes after 2 and before 4? 3. What comes in between 5 and 7? 6. What comes before 9 and after 7? 8. Step counting by 2. Let us start with digit 2. Now, we will add 2 in every step to obtain the next step, like 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. This is step counting by 2. Let's move on to one more activity. This is a strip of digit 6. It will be easy for a child to compare the digits and tell which digit is bigger and by how many units. Like here I have digit 4 and 6. We can observe that strip of 6 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps and 4 has 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So 6 is bigger than 4, that is 6 is greater than 4 by 1, 2 units. Let's check that. Place a strip of 2 steps over 4. Yes, it is equal to 6. Can you tell me in how many ways we can present 6? Like, if I take step 5, how many steps do I need to make it 6? 1 step. 5 plus 1 is 6. Next, I take step 4. I will need 1, 2 steps. 4 plus 2 is 6. Here I place step 3. Now, 1, 2, 3. 3 steps are required to make it 6. I am placing step 2. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now I am placing step 1. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. We observe that 5 plus 1, 1 plus 5, 4 plus 2 and 2 plus 4 all are equal to 6. Now, let us make all the number combinations for 10. Let us start with 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 5 is also 10. Now, to make 10, I will place step 4, step 3, step 2 and step 1. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 10. This way we can learn about the various number combinations.
This kit is beautifully designed to cater the needs of the child to reinforce counting and ordering of numbers. It also helps to facilitate mental maths for learning basic number concepts. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and happy learning.